Hey my love, so this is my look for the talk. We are gonna be eating now, so I just want to show you guys my look and I go ahead and go for the lunch. So this is be there and be there, fashion of the look, and I've got my glasses and here I am. So let me do, I am gonna post the best of the conference and I hope you guys will like my talk.
Around AI, or should there be university policies or just faculty
Yeah. Oh no no. Yeah. 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 Oh no no. Yeah. Yeah. Shine my shoe, Chistick, take on my tail, yo. Do your thing, no they do churchy, churchy, Follow your dreams, you they do holy, holy. Shine my shoe, Chistick, they call my tail, yo. Shaman go, all vibes on check, swat on check, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Professor on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Professor on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, he's on deck. We just dey do our thing, we no dey send nobody, we are just here for the fun, we no dey fight nobody. Oh my way.
There she goes. She don't like y'all. She's asleep. So she follows me. She's sensory, so I can touch her and she moves. And she learns me and I learn her. So the more I interact with her, the more Maisha does things. And she'll learn to talk or teach me French as I start to talk to her. So this helps your children with emotional intelligence, especially our divergent learners, right? It helps them with emotional intelligence. This is Maisha, y'all. Look, she's sleepy now. Now, Maisha has some toys.
Oh, I got them over here. There you go.
This is Maisha's bottle. I can stick it in her mouth. And she starts drinking her bottle. And if I lay Maisha out, okay, that's enough, Maisha.
Oh, look at her.
She says, thank you.
Okay, and y'all not going, I didn't say, oh my, just go, I would like to end with sharing with you some of the things that other people are creating as we worry about people cheating. Well, okay, so I start off with sharing with you my nails are coated, my fingernails. On this side, I have smart nails that I operate computers and stuff with. On this side, I have smart nail polish to detect date rape drugs. And I thought I had some water. If I put my finger in liquid or whatever, and it's been enhanced with drugs, it'll turn green. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your new world coming up. Now, some of the things that are coming up, you say, who thought of that? Well, no, I didn't think of that. And I wonder who did, but you're seeing it for yourself. This is a smart belt. And you're supposed to say, so what will it do?
What will it do?
Well, when you put it on and you eat too much, it will call up your phone and say, stop eating.
Whoa.
Look at me. Who thought of that and why? Well, obviously someone thought of that. So we have to take things that you would go, come on now, and look at the educational value and take that technology and apply it appropriately so that we can now take this belt and it can measure your BMI?
Yeah.
Okay, you're working with me. You know, I know if look, okay.
Yeah. Oh no no. Yeah. 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 Oh no no. Yeah. Yeah. Shine my shoe, Chistick, take on my tail, yo. Do your thing, churchy, follow your dreams, you they do holy, holy. Shine my show, Chistick, they come, I tell you. Fashion on go, all vibes on check, sword on check, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Prophet's on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, chickens on deck, what is on deck, Chima's on deck, Prophet's on deck, he's on deck, she's on deck, he's on deck. We just dey do our thing, we no dey send nobody, we are just here for the fun, we no dey fight nobody. Oh my way, I'm on my way, you can't stop me. Oh my way, I'm on my way, you can't stop me. Shine my shoe, Chistick, they come, I tell you. Do your thing, no they do churchy, churchy. Follow your dreams, you they do holy, holy. Shine my shoe, Chistick, they come, I tell you. Fashion on go, fashion on go, fashion on
Hello,
go.
my loves. So I am back home. The conference is over. I am feeling groovy since I'm home. It's been a very busy week. I had to present my research paper on economic policy in West Africa. Plus, I had to present the research I was supervising my students on breast cancer research. She couldn't make it, so I had to present it for her. But I am so glad it's over. And then my other two students did a marvelous job, and they actually won the monetary award for best undergraduate presentation. So I am feeling it. Oh my God, it's been a week and the week prior to getting ready for the conference. So I think I have now earned the right to chill out and sleep in for the weekend. So till next time I upload another vlog, y'all continue to take care. Y'all continue to find a happy place. Kisses. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Que me sea.